Welcome to TBS Factoring's Search for Freight load board. In this video, we will show you how to navigate Search for Freight and how to find loads that fit your schedule. So, buckle up and get ready to become an expert at load finding. Finding the right load can be difficult. Search for Freight is a free freight load board that helps you develop your trucking business. Experience a user-friendly solution to finding the perfect loads for you and your company. It's super easy to get started. From any device, visit Search4Frieght.com. Enter your username and password from the credentials you were provided by your TBS representative. Your username is your TBS client ID, and your password is either your MC or DOT number. On the Search for Freight homepage, you will see a list of available loads broken down by origin city, destination, pickup date, age, meaning how long the listing has been active, payment and weight information, and the company who has the load and its contact information. If you see a green thumbs up next to a number, this means the company is already pre-approved to factor with TBS. By clicking on a load, you can view more details about the load and other contact information if needed. Here you can select load information, company information, any attached files the company has uploaded for the load, and the load's map route. There is a green Reserve button located at the bottom right of the load information page, which lets you reserve the load after you've contacted the company to secure the load. To see your reserved loads, look at the top of the TBS Search for Freight homepage for the Loads icon. Click and a drop-down menu will appear. Select My Loads to see all the loads that you've reserved. By clicking on a load, you can see the company information and if the company would like you to attach any files to that load, such as an invoice. If you'd like to perform a custom search, don't worry, it's also easy. At the top of the homepage, open the Loads drop-down menu, then select Search Loads. Here, you can enter your location, the radius from your location, a destination, a radius for your destination, a pickup date range, we suggest you choose a date within the next 3 to 7 days, and age. Here, you will want to select the 90+ option to give you optimal results. You can also input your desired load length. Next, for the size option, you can pick between two choices, TL or truckload, which stands for any load over 26,000 pounds, or LTL, meaning lighter than truckload, which stands for loads under 26,000 pounds. If you would like to enter a weight, you can do so in the weight selection. Next, you can pick between a variety of equipment or truck types. Please note that power only means bobtailing, and if you're a box truck hauler, you will want to select other and unspecified specialized. Also, be sure to select LTL in the size selection for loads lighter than 26,000 pounds. To get the best results, we suggest you don't type anything in the company line or check the box for Team Required. Once you've completed all of your items, click Submit to see your results. There's also an option to watch for new loads for this search. By selecting this, you will get an alert anytime a load with your specifications is uploaded to TBS's Search for Freight website. To see all of your search load alerts, click Loads icon at the top of the screen and select Load Watch Alerts. Once you have booked your load with the company, click Complete. Always thinking about you and your schedule, the TBS Factoring Search for Freight load board is the easiest way to keep you, your rig, and your money rolling along.